Greetings. My name is Nitin Jindal. I'm the director and partner at Jindal Medi Surge. What we do and who we are, I've already made a video for that, and the link for that video I'll share in the description column. Um, I'll start this video with a question that when you think of the top veterinary orthopedic companies, what company's name pop up in your mind? Maybe Johnson & Johnson's, DePoy, B. Brown. Well, would you expect an Indian company in the same list? Well, here we are. We are the only Indian company that has been independently recognized by global research firms alongside the world's top veterinary orthopedic companies, and we are certainly very proud of it. In this video, we will be focusing on the orthopedic range and the market. The orthopedic veterinary market is approximately $300 million US dollars currently, and it is expected to grow to approximately 1 billion US dollars by 2033. It's a growing market, and we certainly are in the center of it. Now, I would like to share some videos or maybe screenshots of the research documents that has been published by top publishers on the business wires, and here are some of them. So here I would like to thank a very special person, that is Dr. Jean-Michel Hatt from Switzerland. He's has been a great person in our journey. He has shared many of his products with us, and he's basically the godfather of veterinary orthopedics globally, and he is an inventor of many veterinary surgery techniques as well. Technically, I dedicate this video to him and thank him for all my heart. In the end of this video, I would like to say that to compete with the biggest names in the world, uh, we have followed a simple rule to listen to what the surgeon says and providing them what they need. Um, Talking about India, we are one of the biggest emerging manufacturing hub globally, and we have the technique, the technical talent, the infrastructure to produce what the world needs, and we are happy to present ourselves as one of those manufacturers who can deliver. Um, in the end, I would like to invite all veterinary orthopedic surgeons, clinics, distributors who are looking for a reliable partner for manufacturing, um, to connect with us. We will love to work with you. I'm leaving all the contact details about us in the description column. Um, I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.